Welcome back, my friends. February 17, 2019, 6:36 p.m. And for our astronomy lovers out there and sky watchers, we have our second of 3 consecutive supermoons coming up. This Tuesday actually is the biggest and brightest supermoon of this year. Let's see here some of the information of how to watch it. A supermoon, first, by definition, is when a moon is simultaneously full and at its pedigree, the point in its orbit when it's closest to Earth. This is happening 3 times in a row, guys. If you remember, we just had the blood wolf moon eclipse, actually, an eclipse on that day as well. So it was a full moon with an eclipse and a meteor strike. These are some of the pictures I personally took of the eclipse itself. I even caught the meteor on film and video. I had posted that a couple, well, a month ago now, 2 days from today. So this was the eclipse, and now we are dealing with the super snow moon, this one is called. So it's being called the super snow moon, the biggest supermoon of 2019, and then the next full moon is March 20th, which is also a supermoon. So we have 3 supermoons in a row. How the moon is at its closest to Earth 3 months in a row is pretty odd to me, but then again, I'm not an astronomer, so I couldn't tell you why that happens. When can people see the super snow moon? The moon will technically reach peak fullness next Tuesday morning, February 19, 2019 at 10:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for Mountain Time, that would be 9, and then we got 8, 7 o'clock Western Time, West Coast Time, Oregon, Washington, California. But won't be visible to most in the U.S. at that time. Instead, you will have to wait for moonrise, which will occur between 5:30 and 6:30 p.m. I'm assuming that is Eastern Standard Time as well. Local time for precise timing, go here. This is where you can click for that link. This is an MSN.com website. You can just type in the search bar super snow moon, and you will get all this information. Let's see. If you are hoping to capture a good supermoon photo, catching the moonrise is your best bet. Due to an optical illusion, the moon appears larger to us, closer to the horizon. So the sooner you can get this thing on camera, the better. In fact, I even preset my camera up sometimes when it's warm enough, unlike nights like tonight, so I can catch it coming up over the horizon, because that is usually when it's at its biggest, and sometimes you get planes that come across it, the face of it, which looks pretty cool on camera. Like I said, next full moon is March 20th. It's also going to be a supermoon. Won't be quite as big as this one. Again, this is the biggest of all these supermoons of 2019, happening early this year, early, as in the second month of the year, this coming Tuesday. So, and then July 2nd, July 16th, and December 26th are the next full moons, or either significant celestial events or full moons. Yes, I believe. A particular lunar eclipse. July 2nd, if you happen to find yourself in China or Argentina in early July, you can catch a glimpse of a total solar eclipse. So now we're going off into other parts of the world. But yes, okay, so this Tuesday, guys, full moon time. Get your cameras out if it's clear enough. Get some pictures, send them in to us. We'll feature them in videos, no problem. And I'll be out there if it's clear enough to get some shots. All right, guys? Have a good night. I'll talk to you soon. We'll be back with a weather update shortly. Bye-bye.